Okay, let's make a FNF mod as fast as possible. Let's open up Adobe Animate. It's gonna be high quality too. I'm not talking skin replacements. I'm talking full exe mod, custom character, maybe a custom song, maybe a custom week. Let's try that. Let's try that. Hopefully you don't see anything spoilery. I'll probably block it out if you do. I don't have a second monitor, so it's like I can't just hide shit. All right, let's create a new shit. Let's create new shit. 1280 by 24 frames per second. Create. Let's create that shit. My computer's a tad bit slow because it's been running for over 48 hours. All right, let's start with the character. Let's just have like a simple. I'm going to make a girl character. Yeah. I'm not gonna make it too detailed, but you know. Yeah, let's just cut off some stuff. Damn. Can't I just whatever. It's part of her now. Yeah, like that. Okay, that seems about right. Pause. We need like a size reference. So let's see. So they're about that size. Let's make them a little bit taller. Oops. Let's make their head a movie clip or a graphic, maybe, just in case. I'm not gonna. Yeah, okay. I guess I'm gonna head and then convert it to a symbol again. I'm gonna name this like. Let's call her Momi. Momi idol. We don't need the name. Momi idol. All right. Then we just let's make her. Let's do that. Let's give her like a purple shit. Okay. Add a little bit of shading, you know. All the high quality mods have shading. If yours don't have shading, then it's low quality. Although that is debatable. I literally made Tord, and he's pretty cool. He's pretty high quality, if I do say so myself. This character is actually going to be pretty tall because of their hair. I don't know how much of the audio you can hear me, but I'm sure you can hear enough. We're gonna bring this back later, so. We're not gonna make her too detailed. I don't want to make her too detailed. Let's just, yeah. Just give her khakis. Actually, let's just give her jeans. And let's give her white Air Forces. That's nice. We can call this one like legs. call this one body. Body, yada, 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 yada. I'm sorry. I won't do that again. Let's organize our shit. And by organize, I just mean just take sprites, and then just only put, like, you know, animations in the sprites. Okay. Then let's have her do that. Let's have her like that. We're making our arm. This is just like the general mod workflow that I have discovered. Oh fuck. It's actually really helpful because it's literally the fastest way to make a high quality mod without all the. This is probably the fastest way. Unless if I'm stupid and dumb. Okay, let's just wait. Do they already have a? Ah, okay, cool. Okay, let's for, you know, better editing and such. Okay. Let's fuck me. I don't like to draw the whole mic, so I'm just gonna. Where's this head ass? There it is. Oh, let's just get the mic's colors. This isn't really in the same. I recommend not using Adobe Animate to draw the styles. I recommend using like an older version of Flash, like Flash CS6 or Flash CS4 or whatever. And Adobe Animate's brush lines look way too uniform for the FNF fucking style. At least it looks way too, you know, straight. While, you know, you see the FNF fucking, you know, the lines are like vary in thickness. Although that could be because Phantom Arcade uses a drawing tablet and I use a mouse, so drawing pens have a pressure sensitivity feature. Mine doesn't. Okay, let's just move this one on the top layer. Like. Alright, you know what? Fucking, let's give this shading. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Literally all I needed. Cool. Yeah, you see the hand difference? Sure, fine, let's fix that. What the freak? Oh, okay. I hate that. Yeah, you don't even need Adobe Animate. You're gonna hear me occasionally talk to myself because one, I don't have any you know, friends. I'm just kidding. I have plenty of friends. I just enjoy talking to myself because I can keep my thoughts to myself, except in this instance when I'm telling every single one of you my thoughts. Hopefully I don't accidentally spill my leftist ideals onto this video. Capitalism is oops. Sorry. Okay, let's shade the lights real quick. Gorilla the spinner. Ring-a-ting-a bang bang. Whatever that song is, I really enjoy it. Ran your Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. Got a pistol in my head like I'm a cop. Something cop car. No, I blow it up. Yes. Okay, we got everything in place, right? Everything's a symbol. Yep. Alright, let's just make the face real quick. The one thing I don't like about Adobe Animate is that like the brush sizes and such, they used to be on this side of the screen, but now they're not. Am I showing my mouse? Well, oops. They used to be on the left side of the screen, like on the tool panel for easy editing, and now it's not. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's do a little tricky. Get it? Because I said let's do a little tricky and I drew tricky. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Now that we have that, we can make a box. See, I don't want to do any offsets at all. They're boring and stupid and dumb, and they waste my time. Although they're not even that bad, but I hate doing that. So let's do a little funky. Let's take this, make a transparent box. It has to be at least some sort of percentage, otherwise Adobe Animate will just ignore it. Yeah, now that we have a transparent box behind her, you saw how I did it. Okay, now that we got that, let's make it a little smaller. You know, I want to save some space. We want to make sure that it can. So since I don't want to do offsets, yeah, okay. Is that even the right size? Pause. Wait. Let's just make this a little red. Let's just make this a little red, like 20%, just to see if I can see it properly. What the hell? There appears to be some sort of weird offset that I'm not quite sure is causing. There's literally nothing up there. Adobe Animate, you. For what purpose? For what purpose? I have to put the registration point. Or I could just select all this. Put this on this right here. Put this on 0. Put this on 0. Oh shit! Oh, that's it. Her rotated head. Her rotated head causes problems. So I can just put this on 0. Put this on 0. Perfect. Now I can make this thing like 1%. Or better yet, so people don't actually notice it. Actually, no, you know what? It doesn't matter that much. You can barely see it. Actually, you can see it a little, but only on white backgrounds. Now that we've done that, let's separate them. We're gonna map out some ideas. Let's put the registration point over here. Put the registration point over here. Not the registration point, the transform point. Trust me, you'll figure it out why. It has to be on the top left. You'll figure out why. Now that we've created our character, let's create their animations. Their idle animation. How to do that? It's pretty simple. Select like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 frames, right? Actually, like on the 5th frame. And let's just like lock the bottom layer because that's the yeah. See this? Now we have 2 frames. 2 frames. Add like 6 frames, and then like now on the first set of frames, this is where we're gonna make our bounce. For a lot of mistakes that people do is like they make the character like go towards the down position rather than start from the down position, which doesn't give it that bumpy feel. You have to start from the down position, not start from the regular position. You have to come to the regular position. To make this easy, we can just put this down here and then just geez. Oops. Fuck, I turned off lock. Oh. Thought I did. Yeah, now we got some bouncy. Let's move this down. Yes, let's rotate this a little bit. Yes, I love it. Let's skew her body a bit. Yes, I love it. Now we take this and we tween everything. Classic tween. Ease out. I like a circle tween. It's really bouncy actually. It's gonna look low quality. Hold on. I think there's a match FPS somewhere. Right here. There. My computer's a bit slow, but you can now see like the proper animation. It's let's get rid of that. Yeah. Now you can, let's just extend it like 10 frames. Let's make it like, yeah, over here. As you can see, it's like a little too fast, so let's add a little bit more. Now the bumping's a little too smooth. Everyone knows that. Or perhaps I'm just not using circle. Let's use like cubic. Yeah, that's a little bit more natural. Actually, yeah. And then after that, you select every frame of the tween, convert to frame by frame animation, keyframe every other frame. If you don't have this feature, you probably have an older version. All you really, what you got to do is like, and then just remove. It's the same process, but yeah. Now you have that. FNF Mod Pack does this thing where the head, there's a follow through. You see it in the boyfriend's animation. See how his head starts like, this is his normal position, but as soon as he bounces, boom. And then his head keeps moving, you know, down a little, and then it goes back up. See, it looks like his head is like, you know, natural. See, we're gonna replicate that right here. See right here? All right. Take every part of their face. Let's rotate it down even further. Let's just turn on onion skin so we can see what the hell we're doing. Yeah, rotate it and then just like bring it down a little. And then we got this. Uh-oh, I forgot to move the mouth. Uh-oh, ring-a-tanga bangin'. Alright, guess we're gonna have to move the head like a tad bit higher. Let's see how that looks. That looks terrible. I don't know what the hell I was doing. Perhaps I used oops. I think I used too many keyframes. Let's end it right here. Yeah. Maybe I just need to do quad. It's all quad, right? Yeah. And then Jesus. There we go. Convert to every other frame. And then just whatever, it looks alright. It looks too fast. I do not like it. Let's do that. Let's animate it in 3s. I don't like it in 3s. Let's just yeah, whatever. Okay. Now for directional animations. How I like to do it: duplicate symbol, name it like, let's do left, momi left. Take this and then clear frame so that it's only left with whatever the last animation was. Oh, there we go. Oops, what the? Hell with me. Okay, make sure you don't move that transparent box. It's hella important. Just to collect the first frame, paste and overwrite frames. If you don't have this, then you're just gonna have to copy each frame individually or figure it out, I guess. Jesus Christ, my right click is weird as hell. I don't know why I put a frame over there. Now that we got that, make sure, let's play it on play once, and then first frame like 1. I like to give it 5 frames of animation for each animation. Like so. And then I, duplicate each symbol on each frame. I just see how I selected right here. And then press up. And then this frame is gonna be down. So let's animate our lefts. Let's animate our lefts. In the Friday Night Funkin', like, it's like the game that's easiest to mod because it uses like the least amount of animations. I've tried modding Smash Flash, and boy, you have to animate like a shitload of shits. Let's just bring that down so it doesn't like touch the top of the yeah. And let's just bring this. Okay, let's replace her mouth like. Dude, I should have made like a cat girl OC. Oh wait, I'm recording. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this real quick. I'm trying to do this like hella fast. Doesn't have to be simple. I probably could do it faster if my my computer wasn't lagging. Let's just animate real quick. See, the first frame of the directional animations goes further than the default animation, which is here. You never want to go from the starting animation and then go for an overshoot. That'll make it look too smooth. For example, like the Miku mod, not mine. Actually, I could use mine, but I'm talking about like the other one. Evitel's, I think that's what his name is. Evitel's Miku. At first, his animations did the whole start default pose and then like the overshoot, which made it look too smooth. And then I saw like afterwards they changed it to where the overshoot was first, so that made it like, yeah. Is that good enough? Let's check that. Let's check that. Let's check that. Yeah, that looks about right. See how, boom, it looks like she's doing much. Let's rotate the mic a little. Yeah. And then this is Momi right. Oops. Put that on the first frame. Put this on the first frame as well. And put this one on the first frame as well. Okay, now we got our left animation. We got our idle and we got our left. We need a right. Oh shit, that actually looks good. Sheesh. Okay. Now we need her like. I don't like naming symbols. I probably should because it's a good habit. It's good to organize, but nothing. That I just don't. I know it's good to organize, but I just don't do it anyway. How does that look from the left? Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. That looks good. Looks good. Let's move the mic a little closer. Remember an overshoot on the first frame. Let's make the mouth, yeah, overshoot as well. Let's make the body, the body, back up a bit. I love Megan Thee Stallion. Perhaps if I listen to it, I could like make everyone listen to her and then make her super successful. I hope she didn't drug anybody like Cardi B. What the hell am I talking about? Okay, there we go. Momi up. No, what? Okay. This is her up animation. My computer's hella slow, so shit might look confusing as fuck. Shout out to my uncle for the swag music that I'm playing right now. He's a swagger person, and you should definitely listen to his music. That stretch, that's like squeeze, and then like, so now it looks like it's going up. How does that look? Yeah. Yeah, actually. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Her mouth is a different color. Luckily, since we turned it into a symbol, we don't have to edit each individual frame. We can just edit one asset and it'll reuse it. See? That's what I love about Flash. And now for her down animation. Let's make her do that thing boyfriend does, where he oh shoot. I said shoot. I said shoot. Not that it matters. None of you care that I swear. Unless if it's like little kids who are like, no, bb-panzu, please don't swear. It's like, I'm a content creator. I create content. I don't care about children. I love children. Pause. Come on. I meant that, you know, I don't hate children. Since hating children's so popular nowadays. Like, I get it. They're loud and annoying. But come on, that's because they're kids. Of course they're loud and annoying. We should protect children at all costs from everything like the internet. Or at least try to. How's that look from... Yeah, it looks about right. Okay. Just have to test the poses to see how good they look. And now I overshoot. Actually, I'm thinking of a... Okay. Ew, actually, no. Oops. Let's try this. That looks hella overshot. Like hella. I might need to bring this one up then. I might need to bring this one. And then the eyes. And then the... Luckily, each animation only consists of like 2 frames, but it gets the message across. Yep, that's pretty much it. But we're not done. Let's save this. Let's save this. I'm gonna hide stuff that you might see. Let's just put on downloads. Or let's not do that. Let's put on documents. Hopefully you don't see anything. Oh no, oh no, oh no, you're seeing shit. Let's just name this Momi tutorial. This is where we're gonna put all our stuff. Oh shit. Ugh. Nothing, don't worry about it. Let's just name this Momi assets. Underscore, put the underscore, it's important. Now that we got this shit. No. I like to test how shit will look like. Let's put boyfriend like a little closer to Momi. Okay. Let's create a scenery for her. Let's like go, yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for just being distraction. Okay, let's make a general. Make it pretty big because the camera might show shit that you don't want people to see. Yeah, you don't have to worry about the bottom shit, but just in case. All right, this will be the background. Just make like a square, any square. Let's just name this BG. All right, now we're gonna use that as a mask. All right, how masks work? They're pretty great. See, like I can take this red shit. Let's make this like big and shit. I can do this, you know, go outside the mask. But since it's a mask, guess what it does? If you lock all the layers, boom, it actually only shows the stuff that is inside this box. So that's important. Trust me when I say this shit is important. Let's give her a city to be in. Let's Ai shite, moto, ai shite. Yeah, let's do that. And then let's just do the same thing here. Front alley blitz. That's what's happening here. This is the front of the alleyway. This is canonical to the witty lore. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. This character has no relations with Carol. Just to put that out there. Do what you want with her, I guess. She is 24. That's how old she is. She is 24. Let's make a... Let's make a door. Not the greatest with backgrounds, but I'm learning. Alright, let's just... Okay. Don't worry about what's outside the square, because those are not going to be shown at all. Yeah, let's just draw a cute dumpster. Make it this color. Actually, make it this color. Let's just draw like a dumpster. I'm drawing shit like with perspective and shit, because I'm goated that way. Let's just do that. And then let's just do... let's make it a little blue. I sheeped it. Oops. Make sure to lock your mask layer, because you're gonna be erasing shit, and you don't wanna. Let's just take everything and then straighten it. How I did that, I pressed minus on my keyboard, but that's a custom shortcut. So to do that for you, you'd select the shape, and then like go to modify shape, and then smooth or straighten. You could select everything or do that. But yeah, I'll take this. Let's blue shift it. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so now that it's okay. Let's just do that. Cool, cute dumpster. Now let's draw the background shit. Let's draw like a stone wall fence. So like dark shit, blue shit, red shit, two shits. Draw it in the back. Let's draw it pretty dark. Oh, fuck off. Okay. I don't know why Adobe Animate added that feature. Can't process brush strokes, but it can process like 3,000 filters. Like, there should just be like a classic brush. Oh, shut up. There should be like, you know, the old brush thing, because I enjoyed it sometimes. I liked how it was. Okay. Let's just draw the sidewalk. Like right here. Right here. Boop. Actually, let's draw like the sidewalk like this. Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sometimes Flash will crash on processing brush strokes, especially when drawing straight lines. I think these are one of the moments. Let me just Alright, it's taking quite a while. So in times like these, I call up old reliable task manager, who should be in a couple seconds right now. Boom. And we just crash this bitch. Just for now. Just for now, we just crash it. Crash them intentionally. Crash. Wait, no, was it done? Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Okay, well, since we didn't save, that's unfortunate. But but a cool thing about Adobe Animate is that it has an autosave feature, so it recovers your shit pretty goodly. Let's wait for this shit to open. Sure, perhaps that could be it. I don't think that's it. I think we might have to redraw the background. Bussy. Did it at least save her animations? Yeah, but maybe by the off chance it aha, yes, it did recover Moomy. Okay, back to square one. All our animations were done. I have to redraw the background. You know all the rest. You know the big background, making a mask and shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I made another layer. I'm doing all of this in Flash. Trust me, it's like super helpful. It gets shit done. Get rid of the border. Never, because the border actually ruins shit. Okay, BG. Make a bunch of layers under the mask, which is this. Let's just unmask it. Let's just not make it a mask real quick. I have to redraw the background. I have to speed run this. I don't think you guys understand. I have to speed run this. Otherwise, I will not have my title as. I don't have a title. I really do not have a title. Let's just. Jesus Christ. Yo. This is why I don't. This is why you're not this. This is why you're not the industry standard. Because of bullshit like this. Okay, fill that shit in. Let's just turn off that much smoothing. I don't think we need that much. Let's just copy and paste these. Yeah. I'm holding Alt to like duplicate while dragging. It's really helpful and stuff. Alright, reshade that shit, reshade that shit, reshade that shit. Now I have to draw my cute dumpster again. Cringe. Okay, let's do that. Wait for Animate to process my strokes. Yeah, okay, so when selecting paint inside, it like sometimes we'll have trouble filling in for some reason, because like even if you turn off like fill small gaps, it will not, because I don't know why. Perhaps if I do large gaps, yeah, even if with the largest gaps, there's a gap somewhere, that's why it won't fill, so you kind of just have to close it in yourself. Oops. Let's do this with paint normal, because I know it has trouble when it's like painting in. What? Yo, this is why you're not the industry standard. Oh my god. It just has weird bugs that it's been like, these have been the same bugs since like 1999. Do you know how old this program is? It's that old, and it still has the same bugs. It has not changed since. It's kind of nostalgic, really. If it did change it, I'd kind of be sad, because then it's like, that bug is like so Flash specific. I don't think any other program could like have it. I've never seen any other program have it. Let's just do that, and let's just do that. Okay, cool. Now let's draw our dumpster again. We need that dumpster. We need that dumpster. I honestly think that these need to be separated a bit more. Lock your masks. Lock your masks. Okay. Let's bring this. Oops. What? Shut up. Okay. Oops. Okay, cool. Now that it's separated, oh, oops. Let's just. You can make the mask like actually transparent, really. Oops. So that way you can actually see through it, in case if you like want to see how the background looks. It really doesn't need to be this big, but it do not matter. Okay, let's just draw the dumpster like so. See, modding takes like a bit of time, but shit. Lock your mask layer. But this is the final production will be worth it. Everyone loves to mod Friday Night Funkin'. I used to hate doing EXE mods, but now I love it because now I know the proper workflow. Why do okay, for some reason only in Adobe Animate even the highest like the highest smoothness thing, it like is actually pretty rough. But in like older programs, if you turned on like 100, your line would be basically just geometric shapes if you turned on 100 smoothing, and anything less than 40 looked like chicken scratch. So like the best one to me was like 50 to 75. Okay, cool. Now we draw our sidewalk. Oops. Now we draw our sidewalk. It's important to have like that little like background so I don't have to do the offsets, which is, I've thought of that idea before, but I wasn't too sure if I wanted to do it because I don't know why I didn't do it. I guess now that I don't know. It's literally the smartest idea in the world. Gorilla the spinner. Orangutanka bang bang. Oh, shut up. Oh my god. And I didn't save either. Jesus shit. Guys, let's just wait for a bit. Okay, let's just wait for a bit. I'll come back to you when it's like done doing its shit. I fucking give up. I give up. It crashed. I crashed it because it was taking way too long. Fucking no program needs to have a brush processing wait time where you draw something and you have to wait for it to like what the fuck? Okay, you know what? Forget the high quality background. Even though that was like the lowest quality I could go for. Open up. This is annoying. Never has it done this before. Or it has done this before, but it hasn't done this in forever. I'm just gonna open up movie assets, since it's basically the same shit. Yep, Okay. Alright, you know the drill. You know the drill. You know. Make the mask, get rid of the thingy, make it like low transparency, turn it into a symbol, name it BG, double click, let's draw a quick background. Black and white, no color, because I'm tired of it. I'm sick. I'm sick and I'm about to throw up. Not really, I'm just joking. Okay, let's just draw our... You know what? Don't use the brush tool at all. Use the pencil tool. It doesn't need to process shit. Like the fudge. All right. Let's just draw an alleyway. Look how fucking laggy this shit is. Adobe Animate, as I say time and time again, this is why you are not the industry standard. Because of shit like this. I gotta draw my cute dumpster for the third time, but in like absolute dog shit quality, because high quality is too much for Flash. Dog shit quality is the way to go, apparently. Right. Look at this shit. It's garbage, but it's what I have to do. But I'm assuming you guys can draw your own backgrounds, can make it look as pretty as you want. Let me turn on my mask outline so I can see where I'm drawing the shits. I draw the sidewalk. This does not have perspective whatsoever. Come on, I can do better than that. I'm not that bad. Let's straighten everything. That did terrible. Okay, let's just make this. Yeah. Yo, you guys should watch Angelo Rules. It's like an old cartoon that I used to watch. It's hella funny, and I recommend it hella much. Angelo Rules, that's what it's called, with a Z. Angelo Rules, rules with a Z. All right. Now let's just draw some dog shit coloring. Let's just do some dog shit coloring. Lock all the layers. Let's just do the. Oops. Take away the outline. Actually, this might give it some aesthetic. Maybe this was like God's way of telling me, yo, you need this dog shit quality in order to make some swag shit quality. I love God. God is pretty cool. He needs to do something about this COVID situation, though. The potato head controversy was, let me tell you about that while I'm dog shit coloring. It was all corporate. No one on the left, no liberals actually cared for Mr. Potato Head like at all. It was all, you know, corporate shit. After people found out that they were changing it, you know, people mass bought Mr. Potato Head. It was all a corporate strategy to use conservatives' anger in order to sell more toys. That's the same shit that they did with Dr. Seuss. They said that, and like only the corporate entity, you know, those people, they decided, you know, let's cut off. Let's stop selling. Not even stop selling, like let's stop producing only 6 of like the Dr. Seuss books. Only 6, and that got enough people to like, oh, they're canceling Dr. Seuss, and it's like, no, it's not. He's fucking dead. You know, we're not canceling it. We're not deplatforming him. And who cares? It's a children's book. No one actually, you're not going to read him anymore. And so people bought like a bunch of Dr. Seuss books. Not even like the ones that were claimed to going to like be stopped selling because of like the racist imagery and such. And it's like, jeez. Plus, it's not even that big of a deal. Same with Lola Bunny's tits. Let's talk about that. Y'all really got pressed because they were going to give Lola Bunny some tit reduction and thought like the feminists are like ruining our cartoon characters. Now I can't see my favorite bunny's titties, and it's like, you sound like a hella pervert, dude. No one's taking away your bunny tits. There's plenty of them online. Anywho, that's the coloring. I need to take away like, let's lock all these letters. I need to take away like these stuff. So yeah, anyway, that was my little tidbit on the whole situation. I felt like I needed to tell people that while I was coloring. All right. Let's bring this up. Okay, it's not that bad quality, Actually, looks pretty all right. Okay. Now that we have our custom character, custom map, we can save. Let's save. We have our mask, right? Cool. Our masks. Oh, I forgot to turn this into a mask. Make sure to turn this into a mask, so that way it can square everything perfectly like this. Now that we got like a proper view. Let's make our mask go a little further down. Okay. And let's just draw like for the sidewalk. Yeah, let's just draw like a road. This color. Oh, this color. There you go. Now it looks like a road. Let's bring this. Let's bring all this like to here. It doesn't look as good because, you know, the lines could have been better and whatnot. I could have had a really good looking mod, but no. All right, let's put the BG on its. Okay. Now that we got Mommy's, let's export our sprites. Generate sprite sheet. Auto size. And now that we have that, like, yeah, let's zoom out and it should look good. So we got the idle. Yup, it looks phenomenal. Let's put this on Momi tutorial. Let's just call this like Momi. And we name this Momi assets. Export. Cool. Whoa! Did I forget to export the XML? Oh, okay, I did. Make sure you export the XML. See, basic Sparrow v2. Make sure you set it to that. Trim stack frames. Make sure you do that. Now we're gonna export the background. We don't need an XML for this since it doesn't have any animation. So we can just export PNG sequence onto Momi tutorial, Momi, and then we just call it BG. Yep, make it smooth and shit. Okay, cool. Now keep this open. Now we're gonna go into the code, the game code. I'm gonna teach you how to like. You don't need to actually like use whatever program this is. I'm using Hacks Develop. You can use Visual Code. You can use Notepad++. I just like to use this because of the workflow. I recommend using Visual Code because that's what everyone uses, and it's what Cade uses. Cade is using the Cade engine. I'm recording, right? Cool. I'm about to record for an hour. Shit. Okay. So yeah, all you have to do is download the Cade engine from GitHub. You'll just type in Cade engine GitHub and you'll find it, and then it should look like this. Now I named this assets default. This is assets toward. Hold on, let me just rename this to toward. And okay, so this is the source code for toward. This is the assets default. We can just take this, and change it to assets. So this is the default assets. This is the default source code. I just put source code for Tord and assets for Tord just so I don't have to overwrite anything, and I don't have the problem with. Speaking of which, let's just because one thing I've noticed is that I accidentally left Sunday's assets somewhere, and I forgot where did I put it. Where did I put it? I left your sprite somewhere. I know that. That was a big oopsie on me. Was it on images? No, it wasn't on preload. It was on shared. Let me just get rid of. What? Where did I put it? Whatever. No one cares. I can leak whatever Sunday I shit like leak. Okay. You don't have to worry about this stuff really. You can search up a tutorial on how to use Hacks Develop. Just what I'm doing is like just for my project, I'm just gonna select source instead of source Tord, so that way you can like only get the shit from. This way, I can only load shit from like that default source code. You can use the Funkin default vanilla engine or Kate engine. I like using Kate engine because it's got like cool shit. Kate is a cool person, and I am in love with him. I'm just kidding. I'm not in love with him. I'm just in love with his work, and he's also a cool dude. One thing you got to do is on the project.xml. You probably won't see .xml, but to do that, you go on View and then, oops, and then on you go on. Maybe I should turn this off. I don't even use it anyway. Then you click on file extensions. Whoa, what the hell is this? Whoa, what the hell is all this? Okay, well that was unexpected. Hold on, let's go back to what we were doing. Anywho, click on file name extensions. I accidentally opened another instance of. Yeah. Anywho, open up the project.xml. These are just the project files. You won't see this in the default game file. Yeah, make sure it's the source code, not like the game code, not like the default game binary. Make sure it's like the actual source code. You have to see source. You have to see like docs and shit. Make sure to install these. To do this, here, let me just uninstall them real quick. Let's see. Hackslib remove Discord RPC. I'm gonna remove all these real quick. To import libraries, you just do hackslib install and whatever thing, but install only works on like code that has on like libraries that are in like the hacks default libraries. So that's why if you do hackslib install like polymod, it won't find it because it doesn't know what the fuck that is. So to do that, you have to Git for Windows. You have to download Git for Windows, download that, install all that, and then you can have Git on your thing. Then you just type in like polymod GitHub, and then you just find this shit right here. That's the polymod code that you need. The game doesn't even use it too much. Because it's not ready really. Okay, so anywho, go to code, copy this, right? So to install it, to install polymod, you do hackslib git. After you've installed git, of course. The library name is called polymod. Git path is called this. That's just one way I do it because I get to see what it wants me to do. A faster way you can do it is just fast way you can do it for, let's see, Discord RPC. Make sure you type in hacks and then get this one. Now you can just copy this. Press here. Do I have my mouse shown? Is it showing my mouse? Okay, cool. Yeah, you copy this, and then the fast way to do it is just hackslib git discord rpc, and then just put in this, and then it should do everything for you. Yep. Cool. Awesome. Okay, now that we have those libraries installed, make sure you install those libraries. Those are important. Make sure you install all these libraries, actually. Every single one of these. All these. If you don't, I'll beat you. I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry for saying that. I'm not going to beat you. The game just won't work properly if you don't. You see, these are all the libraries it uses, Hackslib Flixel, Flixel add-ons, hgripts, Flixel UI, Newgrounds. Don't worry about this. It only works on my Nintendo Switch, and I don't think you can find this anywhere. I've already looked, and I think it has something to do with you can only use it if you have the Switch development kit, and you have to buy one of those. Polymod, Discord, if desktop, if it's using desktop. So if it's HTML, you don't have to worry about that. But you have to have it because the game actually uses it. All right, then where's the source code? Class path. This is for all the source code. Just name it to source underscore Momi, since that's the character we're using. So now that we've done that, copy the source, copy, paste, and then rename that to source Momi. So that way the game will read from source Momi rather than source or source toward. Assets. I think I'm not gonna try anything funny because I haven't tested it myself. So I'll just copy this and then it'll take a while. I'll just name this assets default. So we're not going to touch default. We're just going to touch this asset, which is going to be the Momi stuff. So after we go in here, this is how to make your own character. Go to shared, go to images. Now let's open up a new, and then we go to Momi tutorial. We select Momi folder we copied our assets to that we are going to be using. Copy this and then just paste it on the shared images. It's got transparency, right? Cool. Now that we've done this, another thing we need to do is go on assets, preload, data, and then character list. We're going to name this character Momi. We're not going to use free play song list right now. We are probably going to give her a song real quick. But yeah, that's how to add your own custom character. I'm not done yet. We got to actually test it to see if it actually works. All right. Now this is the part where we go inside the code. So Kate Engine source Momi. Make sure you go to source Momi, and we want to go to character. Let's just open that up in whatever program. Scroll down to right here. This is how to add a character. Press enter. Under here, you'll see it, and then just type in like case momi. It has to be exact case momi. Just add a bunch of enters, just to give you space to work with. This is how to do this. Frames equals path dot get sparrow atlas. The way the code works, it'll just like check wherever the things are, so you don't have to put them. We called it momi / momi assets _assets. You don't have to put the file extension, it'll just do everything for you. This path get sparrow atlas, it does this funky thing where it will, I probably won't show you because you don't really need to worry about that unless if you're an excellent coder and you want to know how the game works and you want to change it. Anywho, that was let's see. I'm just gonna go off on a tangent real quick. See, paths. See, when we get sparrow atlas, this is what it do. It does this image function, which gets like the image, and then it gets the file function, which is like the XML, and then it gets like that. So the function is right here. Image gets the thing. Get path. When it gets path, it like does a thing where it checks if the library isn't null, then return get library path, and then if the current level if the current level isn't null, then get the shit from the current level, and if the thing exists, then boom, and if it works. Okay, it works. So all I have to do is just do momi assets, and then it'll get the XML and the PNG. Make sure it's named the same, of course. All right. Now that we've done that, make sure to put semicolons. Hacks will get onto you about semicolons. You have to put semicolons at the end of every line. Not every line, just every thing you do. Otherwise, it'll just get pissed at you. ActionScript doesn't do that, which is why they should have used ActionScript. Actually, no, I'm glad they used hacks because I wanted to get out of ActionScript. It's terrible because it's outdated. Now, for the character animation, add animation. Add by prefix, since we made the frames out of the sparrow atlas. Oh, it's just my pipes. Sorry about that. Semicolon, not semicolon. Quotation, little quotes, apostrophe, whatever. You can use quotes or apostrophes. They all work the same. Add by prefix. How does it work up here? We're gonna name this idle. It has to be named idle, and then comma. That's the name of the animation. Now the prefix, basically what it's called. As you can see in the momi assets, if we open up the XML, we named it like momi down, and then like there's a bunch of string of numbers. These are like all the frames and such. We named this like, yeah. So we named it like, you know what you named it in like the Flash. Just use the exact same names. So momi idle. Frame rate is 24. It is not looped. Add a semicolon. Duplicate that like 4 times, and then you can just do sing up. Just gonna copy this because I couldn't be bothered to type. So your name is like momi up, momi down, momi left, momi right, and then all of these are, yeah, that's basically literally all you need. And then afterwards you just play animation. We don't need to do the offset shits. Yes, we do actually. It's important that we do. We don't need to do the offset shits because yeah, but we do need to register offsets, otherwise the game will bug out, I think. playing it safe, and then we initiate the animation, play animate, and then boom, that's literally all you have to do to enter the character. Wrong. There's also something that you need to do. The characters will not work if you don't. You need to add a custom icon. You need to. How big is it? It's like 1500 by 900. You need to make a custom icon, otherwise the game will crash. Now, where is it? I'm gonna make it in Flash. Assets. It's in shared. No, it's in preload. Preload, images, icon grid. Drag that in Flash, and then boom, here it is. Make sure to right click, on the library, make it, allow smoothing. Actually, don't allow smoothing because, we don't need to do any extras. Alright, now put this, God, I got a burp, sorry. Put this on 0, 0. Yep, it's on 0, 0. On Flash, you can view grid, edit grid. The grid, the icon grid is like 150 by 150. And now show grid. Now you can basically draw whatever shit you like. Lock the layer. You don't draw on the actual image layer because Flash works differently. Let's give her an icon. The brush size for the icons are they vary actually. They vary a lot. I'm gonna use 4. And let's just draw Moomy real quick. Let's turn smoothing a little higher. Oh, it is high. Let's how does boyfriend look? It's right there. So let's just draw our icon real quick. If you don't want to use an icon, quickest thing you can do is go on health icon.hx right here, or you can do it in the find it over there, and then you can just replace face right here, face with the character name. But I want to create an icon. It's good practice to create an icon because you don't want to forget about it later. I used to not like creating icons because it was just extra work that I didn't feel like doing. Plus, I hate image editing. To me, it's super tedious, and I don't get to manipulate it as much as I'd like to. So let's just create our icon. Let's make it blue and shit. Actually, let's make it orange and shit. Alright, now that we've done that, oops. Now that we've done that, let's duplicate it on here. And then this is where her losing animation is like this. And then after you're done, you can just export image legacy. I prefer doing legacy because it's faster. Whoops. We saved it on the thing, so we don't need to save it there. Let's see. Kate engine, assets, preload, images, save it over icon grid. Yep. Yeah, keep on smoothing. 32-bit. So it can have transparency. Export. Boom. Now you're done. Now that we've done that, we can just register it in here. I think it should Ninja Muffin, please order your shit so we don't get problems. Okay. I'm just ordering it as see from for usage and such. Let's see, 1920. BF pixel. They only use like the same number because, as you can see, they're like for like the first frame is like normal and the second frame's for like losing, but since they use the same animation for both, they just register as like the same animation. So for Momi, we're gonna put like 24 and 25. Yep. And then we're naming it Momi. Now that we got all that set up, go to character, everything's semicolon, everything is registered, everything should work perfectly fine. Let's test it. Let's test it. To test it, you go to Kdengen, or you go to this wherever the project. Yeah, you go to here, go on the taskbar up here, CMD, press enter, and then you just type in Lime test. Oof. On project.xml, on the export, let's build directory. Let's name this like export Momi, so I don't accidentally write over my other mods. Yeah, like that. And then now that if we do that, you know, CMD, now it won't replace whatever I had before. So that's probably why it like leaked Sunday somehow. Then you do Lime test Windows. Press enter. And then since it's like the first time compiling with like new code, it's going to take like several minutes. I'm talking several minutes. I'm talking like you need to go watch a TV show while you're at it. Oh, whoa. Is that it? I think we got an error. Right, on Kdengen, there's like a weird thing that where was it? Here. Just get rid of that. I don't know why I do that. Try that again. Now it should work. Now it should compile. Millie got me gone. Well, you got me gone. Okay, I'm just gonna pause because it's gonna compile. It's gonna take years to compile because it's gonna have to. Guess how many shits it's gonna have to cache. It's gonna have to cache Flixel, all this code. It's gonna have to cache all this code, all this code. Hold on, can I just like? I'm able to just like expand everything. Yeah, it's gonna have to do that for this, and then for everything for literally so much. And my mom just turned on the dryer, whatever. So I'm just gonna pause and wait for all that to compile. Okay, it's finished recording. It took like sheesh, what about like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Now let's see. Press escape. Let's do Bo Peep real quick. Now, if all goes well,
3, 2, 1.
I should be able to see my character. There's absolutely nothing wrong that should happen. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. I got Momi in. See, your icon even works. Damn! Did they really take off the R button? Okay, well, it clearly works. Now let's add in her background. Well, first let's make her a custom song real quick. Just something quick, because in order to add a background, we're gonna have to have a song. Let's see. Let's just make something quick. It's quick and easy. Ooh, okay, I got. Let's just have like a simple drum beat with like a catchy bass, So this is not a music making tutorial. You're gonna have to search that up yourself. Okay, I'm not gonna teach you how to make music, because I can't teach. Ooh, let's get some pop loops. Yo, I be sleeping on these beats. Yo, I could do something with this. I might just make this an actual mod. Alright, so I need to record something real quick. Yeah. Go. That's all I need. So I just need or I can turn that off. Okay, put that on 2. Check this shit out. Where the fuck is? Oh, there it is. Now how does? Okay. Okay. Whatever. Let's just add like a quick intro. Quick song. No, where is it? There it is. You can find the stems of like the songs and like you can just search it up. It's open source, I believe, which is hella convenient. I freaking love FNF Mod because of how open source it is. Just give her like a little bass, I'm sure I can find that. That's what the hell is even that? Okay. That sounds terrible. I don't have my set some reverb. I don't have my headphones on, so songs might sound shitty. Okay, yeah. Sounds pretty alright. Okay, set up. Gonna just add one song. I'm gonna teach you how to add 2 songs. I'm not gonna make like the best Picasso shit, so sorry about that. Let's add some chords. Add some like, what is this? Oh, actually. Okay. Let's add in like a vibraphone. How does it sound? That sounds terrible. Ugh, whatever. These vibes don't last as long as I want them to. Sure, I'll do something about that. I'll use a Wrong bass. Fucking, you know what? Fuck the bass. Fresh didn't have bass, so I don't guess any of it. I'll just. Okay, I got a cool idea. Bring back the bass. Except we're going to be using sub bass. I should just pause this. You don't need to see me making music. Hold on. Yeah, y'all peep this. Peep this. Swag shit, right? All right, so now we're gonna export, not this, just the instrumental at first, like so. Make sure it's an OGG file. It's gonna take a while because OGG take abnormally long. Name it inst. All right, cut reminder, and then play. And then it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a little bit. So while it's rendering, go to the engine. Go to source, Momi. Not source. Assets, preload, data, and then free play song list. Add. We're gonna name this song Momi. Momi roll. All right, cool. Now that we do that, we're going to go to playstate. All right, open up playstate.hx. Doesn't have to be in this specific program. You can open it up in the source right here, playstate. You can just open it up in Notepad++ or whatever. Here's how to add a stage. You'll see it somewhere. It'll be around here. You'll see if you see something that's like if song lowercase or song bbpanzu or song high, then this is where they load all the stages. Okay, so here we're just gonna put this between thorns and roses. So else if song to lowercase, to make sure it's all lowercase, right, equals Momi roll. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna do all that shit. Yeah. Now this is how we build our stage. First we put cur stage equals, let's say, city. Let's just name this Momi stage. put in the semicolon. Now we add in our stuff. So var bg flx sprite equals new flx sprite. Here's where we find wherever the x and y value was. This is why I like making it in Flash, so now I know where all the points are. Let's just put the transform point right here. It doesn't need to be a transform point. Actually, it says over here the x is negative this, so just copy that, put it on the x. Then the y is going to be, then the y is going to be this. And then just close that off, add a semicolon, and then boom. BG load graphic. I'm pretty sure the game does. Okay, there it is. So when we say, where is it right here? Load graphic, you do paths, image, momi slash. Since we put in a folder called momi, we just put momi slash bg, and then boom, do that. Animated equals false. It'll just do everything automatically. So bg load graphic, and then add bg, so we can add it to the display list, and it looks like our song is done. Let's take a little break and export the vocals, which should be faster. We name it voices.ogg. You don't need to put momi to something slash, because with the source files, it's like different. I think week 7 is gonna like have a different file, not file format, but like standard, a file standard. It's not going to be like assets and then image data. It's going to be like shared week 1, week 2. You'll see. Just cut off remainder. Wait for that to do that. It's going to be way faster. So this is how we're going to add our background, right? In fact, I think that's pretty much it. You might want to do some other stuff too, like bg active equals false. So I think that like saves RAM or whatever, saves memory. And then update hitbox, so it can like I don't know. I do know, but yeah. Anti-aliasing equals true, so it can look smooth and flash like a flash game. Scroll factor. This is just to set like the background scroll factor. It gives it that like 3D effect, so we can set it like this much. Make sure to add semicolons after everything. I'm just copying whatever I see down here to see what else I need to do. Yeah, that's pretty much all I need to do. Since we're not adding anything else, we're just gonna add this. If you want to add more stuff, you might want to learn hacks and hacks flexel and stuff like that by yourself. But yeah, this should be it. Now that we've exported everything, I saved it on music. I am currently covering what you're not supposed to see. I named it. Where did I save it? Oh. I saved it in here. Alright, take all the, copy this. I like to keep it back up, so I press copy. Go back to the source folder. Go on assets. That's the one we're using. We're going on songs. Make a new folder. Calling this Momi roll. And we're just pasting everything in. And that should work. And now that we've done test, pause, I gotta see that. Hold up. Okay, anywho, now we should be basically done. Not quite, actually. Just remembered. We're gonna do a little thing called charting. It's where we place the notes. Because, yeah. Alright, I think we had it open here. Test windows. Let's just, yeah, you'll see. Let's just wait for everything to compile. It's not going to take as long as it did before, now that it's cached everything and stuff, or whatever it does. It's going to take, like, now that we've only changed, like, only a couple things, it's going to take, like, a couple seconds, or at least for me, at least. So just wait. Just give it a sec. You know what? Alright, it's just about done. It just gives a bunch of warnings. Don't worry about the warnings. They don't mean anything. They're just stuff like, hey, I recommend like using this type of code instead of this type of code, but it'll still work. And it's like, whatever. Don't tell me what to do. It's gonna, right now, it's gonna like cache the assets, you know, do its thing. It shouldn't take this long. Okay. I promise you, it usually does not take this long. It takes like I don't know, like 30 seconds or a minute at most. I've been recording for over an hour. It should not take this long, I'm telling you. I hope it's not trying to cache everything. I think it's only caching the assets currently. At least the ones in the Flixel. This is probably the point where it should like open up the exe now that we tested it. I guess we just have to sit and wait. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's almost done. It's literally almost done. It's making the exe. It's renaming it, you know, making the library, the objects, you know, stuff. And then, there we go. Opens the game. Turn the volume down. Do all that and stuff. Is it playing the sound? Yeah, cool. Free play. Now we don't want to open up Momi Roll yet because Momi Roll does not have a chart. And if we open it, it'll try to load a chart and it won't work. So we have to make one first. So let's make a chart.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's just name this Momi Roll. Oops. That was weird. I guess Shift M mutes it, I guess. Let's just put the character as Momi. Reload audio. Okay, cool. Now we want to reset. That should, yeah, clear the whole chart. Now we can just Oh, we need to copy down the BPM, and it was like, damn, what was it? I don't want to open that again. I don't want to open up FL Studio. I guess I'm gonna have to. It was like 150, right? I know I didn't change the BPM. Yeah, it was 140. So change that to 140. All right, and then now it should. Okay, and then now it's the but so it's like Alright, now that we've done that, it's going to be the same thing for the boyfriend. So how we do that, we just copy last section. Since we use two sections for this is how to do it. Copy last, and then just press +2. That means it'll copy the second to last thing right here. And then we change it to must hit section to make it boyfriend's turn. And then do it again. And I think it was the same thing for no. And then just copy the last two and make this a must hit section. And then copy the last section, do that again, and then just do it again. Make this a must hit section. Did I do it for the other ones? Yeah, make sure it's in there. And then it was the same thing pretty much. So we use like, let's copy like the 16th one. That was like one of the first ones, right? Yep. And I think we're finished charting. For normal mode at least. So press save and it'll ask you where to save your charts. Let's go to your on Kate Engine assets, preload data. We call this Momi roll. Try not to add spaces. I don't think you should trust spaces. And then boom. This song cannot get any harder, so I'll just up the speed. And then just save that. And then just save that as Momi roll dash hard. And then to make it easy mode, I guess I might just make this one easy mode, right? And then just up the speed like half a bit. And then just save that as normal mode. And then boom, we've literally just finished charting. Now if we press enter, since the song is Momi roll and we told the game that if the song was Momi roll to load the Momi stage, which is all this shit, I'm assuming we named it right, correct? On Momi tutorial we named it BG, right? Yeah. So this should be working. Alright, press enter. And if all goes well, it should not crash. Yes, it should. Yes, it should. Because we only saved it on the source code. And right now it's trying to...
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, well, I guess it works. I forgot. Whoops, I mischarted that. Damn it. There it is. Make sure not to mischarp it. And then it should be done. Now we gotta free chart everything. Yeah, always make sure that you charted everything, charted normal properly, and then save everything else. Did I save that right? Yeah. And then hard mode is like 2 times speed. Now we charted everything right, and then afterwards we're going to fix the positions of the character, and then yeah, you'll see how to do that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Damn. My game's lagging. That's weird. Please excuse my loud brother, probably. That was easy. Now that we've done that, let's fix our characters' positions, because obviously they're kind of wrong. Okay, so this is where we set our characters' positions right here. So let's just add case Momi. Yep, that is my brother. And my poor soundproof doors. Okay, dad x equals, instead of plus, we're going to do a little funky. See your position right here? Copy all those. Jesus, he wants to get in my door. I'll feed him later. Okay, that's Moby's position. And I guess just set the camera position to like this much. And then right here, this is based off the stage. So if the stage is Momi stage, that's what we called it. Boyfriend dot x will equal, or how about we just boyfriend set, what? Do we spell it wrong? I should get like a what? That's weird. Set position, like I should make a program that'll do all this shit for you. And then girlfriend will put a little bit higher. Or fuck it, I'll just straight up remove girlfriend because everyone likes to remove her from things. Okay. Oh, it's because I forgot to put the colon. Make sure to put the colon. Otherwise it will not work. That's probably why it didn't work before. Yeah, that's it. So I'll just put set position and then girlfriend. Let's open up girlfriend to see what like position would be best for her. GF assets. Yeah. Oops. Alright, let's put her behind. Let's see what position would be best for her. Take let's just take this, make sure she's like right there. That's what our default position will be. So Fooey. Okay, so over here, now you want to go to info instead of here because their X is based off the registration point rather than the transformation point. So make sure to set it as transformation point right here. You'll know it's transformation point when it has the circle. So take that and copy those positions. So GF set position, it's like that and oops, that and right here and negative, yeah. Now doing so will bring the characters to the thing and it should make everything a-okay. Save this. This is just basically the blueprint of what the stage would look like. And now if we run this, I'm pretty sure I semicoloned everything, right? Yeah, he's a bit tired. Uh-oh, did I forget one? 696. Yeah, I did forget a colon right there. All right. Run that, and then everything should go according to plan. In fact, I believe the Momi charts should transfer to the release. One thing you need to know is like when it's compiling, it'll take all whatever you told it to take, which is like the assets, the export. I mean, no, just the assets, and it's pretty much it. Told it to take the assets and told it to export Momi, right? Yeah. And release Windows, put it in the bin, and then it'll bring all those shits here. It also told it to bring the mods, but yeah. And then it should bring all the necessary assets. It'll look a little different, but yeah. Boom. And it should bring it Momi Momi roll right there. It just brought it. Let it compile all the stuff it compiles. Why does it compile that? Usually it only compiles whatever code it just edited instead of all these assets and such. Maybe it like only does it when the assets change, I guess. Yeah, because like the assets cache, it needs to cache and cringe. Bro, there's gotta be a faster way to compile this. Not on my computer at least. Unfortunately not. I guess we're just gonna have to wait. How long have I been recording? 2 hours. Jeez. Okay. Wait for that to compile. Twist. Beep bop bop. Beep bop bop. Bop beep bop bop. Bop beep bop bop. Get down. Gagu gaga. Gagu gaga. Beep bop. Adesku. Da beep bop. Yay! It's done. It's done. It's done compiling. Just give it like 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I wasn't actually sure if it'll take 8 seconds. Anywho. Because, yeah, shit. And then, replay. And we run mommy roll. Everything should work according to plan.
3, 2,
There we
1,
go.
go.
Whoa, boyfriend's a little weird. I'll fix him. Okay, well, clearly boyfriend's in the wrong position, and I know exactly why. It's because his registration point's all the way over here, and I accidentally copied his registration point instead of his transformation point, which is right here. So I have to copy and, change all those. It's a cringe world out there, folks. And that should fix everything. Now if we compile, it shouldn't take as long because now it doesn't need to cache the assets. It just needs to cache the code that's been changed. And you see, modding characters like these takes up to what? 2 hours? Sure, things before, there are plenty of things that you need to do, like install Visual Studio 2017. I recommend 2017 because it's the ones I have the least problems with. And yep, see, it only caches the code that we changed, which is the play state, and it caches. It says CPP because it's like compiling the hacks to C++, so that way it can run on Windows. Damn, my barber made my cut look like Darnell, and I haven't been the same since. I guess I'm confident enough to show my hair tomorrow at school, but it's whatevs. It is whatevs, guys. It is whatevs. Alright, now it should be completing its compilation in like 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yup. Oh my god, I was right. And now it should take 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn. Okay. Cool. Compilation. So less time this time. Now, if we run when we roll, everyone should be in their proper positions. Open up free play. I'm gonna teach you how to make mommy roll a week, but I'm just gonna you'll see what I'm about to do.
3, 2, 1, go!
Now everyone's proper place. Damn, I'm literally garbage. There, song's finished. Now let us make a week. You guys want to make a week? You want to make a week? I'm not gonna give her any. Yeah, actually, I'm not gonna give her like a. You guys can do that. I'm not gonna give her like a. You know what? Fucking fine. I don't know why I'm fighting it. I need to teach you guys something. So let's just yeah. Let's just duplicate symbol. Let's just call this Momi story. Oh Jesus! I just remembered. I need on the campaign menu UI assets. I have to put her in there. So take this, go to campaign menu UI assets FLA. Where are these? These are the characters. So just. Whoa! Pause. Hold on a second. This is the assets for week 5. I need the assets for week, like the latest week. It's on GitHub, Kate Engine, Arts, Flash Files, Campaign Menu, UI Assets. Right here. And then we can, how big are they? They're like that big, right? So I need to make her smaller. Yeah, we can get rid of this thing. Now let's, I selected this to edit multiple frames and selected the whole range. So now it looks like a really weird mess. I'm gonna make this small. Alright, now this is how to convert all of this animation into all of this black stuff. You see that? Yeah. Here's how to do it. Here's how to do it. Take Momi. Alright, I'm taking Momi. Alright, and we're gonna select everything. Select everything. Control B to break all of them apart and make them like shapes. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I had to go somewhere. Okay, now everything's a shape. Like you can do all that, but we don't want to do that because as you can see, you'll see your neck. Everything's still in layers pretty much. Have to merge all these layers. Select all the layers and right click, merge layers. If you don't have, oh shit. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. There's gonna be a couple buds, so you might want to merge them individually. Damn. Why specifically that one? Oh, is it just when I broke it apart? Alright, let's fix this. Okay. Yeah, Flash has a weird thing, so I guess we can just rotate this a little bit. So if you rotate a little bit, then it should be proper. Now we do the same process, break everything apart, select everything, merge layers. It'll look weird for a second, and now everything should look proper. And everything should be on one layer. Oh shoot, no. Everything's on one layer, but it's split into separate objects. Control B again, and then boom. Now everything's on one layer. Now you can remove individual parts. Now, if you just select the black stuff, but you're gonna have to do it individually, unfortunately. Yeah. And then cut and paste on its own layer. Then just do that a bunch of times. Yeah, I don't know if there's any easier way to do this. It's gonna take a while. Just make sure you don't select any color, like I keep doing right here. And then just keep putting the black stuff on the separate layer. And then we're gonna remove all the color. We're gonna remove the colored layer pretty soon. Although I guess an alternative would be to like make the color just yellow, but I guess, I don't know, just for convenience, just in case if they might need a separate color. Now that we removed the colored layer, everything should look good. There we go. Now Momi should be about the size of everyone else. Let's see how they look. I want Momi to be about the size of everyone else. Momi's a little bit tall, actually, so let's shorten her. Yeah. She's about the height of, yeah, make her shorter than Mom. Alright, now that we've done that, you want to open, no, we don't want to open that. We actually, yeah, we do. Where was it? It's on story menu state? No. If you go to story menu state, it'll tell you what it's loading. It loads a bunch of group weak characters. It's titled menu character, so right here, menu character.hx. This is where they store all the characters. Let's just add a separate line. We're just gonna call this one Momi, and give Momi her separate week, and we're just gonna call her, we called it Momi's Story. Sounds like a JRPG. Momi's Story. Yeah, right here. Now we have to get everything. Hold on. So what was the ones that you have to re-export everything with it? So we have BF Hey, BF Idle Dance. Whoa, pause, wait a second. What's it called? BF Idle Dance White, and then BF Hey. Is it called that? Yeah, BF Idle Dance White, BF Hey, Dad, GF, let's see. Mom Body? No. Mom Idle Black Lines. Mom Idle Black Lines Small? Does it load that one? No, just Mom Idle Black Lines. Parents Christmas Idol. It probably loads the black lines, right? Oh, it loads Parents Christmas Idol. That one's got a little bit of color on it. Wait a second. Whoa, that don't seem right. Perhaps we should... Here, I'm just gonna put it on... Yeah, okay. We're gonna take the ones that it's using, organize them. Famitracker, can you please organize. Put shit in the folder so I can find them easier. Think about the modders. Okay, yeah, let's just put everything. Pico, idle, dance, black lines. Well, that's definitely not it. There it is. Pico, idle, dance, right? Yep, Pico, idle, dance. Mom, idle, black lines. And it was like the GF, that's dad, BF, hey. And then we just shove those in the sprites. Go down. Right there. Yep. And then it was the parents. This one we need to rename. Damn. It was Parents Christmas Idol, right? Parents Christmas Idol. Alright. And then you just shove that in. We need a spooky dance idol. Black lines. Spooky dance idol, black lines. There they are. I think that's all of them. Yep, that's all of them, including Mommy's Story. That's the one we just named. Generate sprite sheet. And it's going. All right, and preview everyone. Yep. Okay. And we are going to put that in. Ooh, that's not it. Cade Engine assets. Where did they load this? Is it in there it is. Campaign menu UI characters.png. Save that. Replace it. And then we named it movie store. And then export. Overwrite it. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, cool. Now that we added the character onto the menu UI, now let's give her an extra week. Boy, if this guy don't lower his volume, I'm going to be upset. Mommy. Let's just call the week name Mommy. With like that. Yeah. And then the week characters. Mommy BFGF. Alright. Senpai, the week songs are Mommy Roll, Mommy Roll, and Mommy Roll. If you want to create new songs, new weeks, new stuff, you gotta, make new songs or whatever. Now that we've done that, everything should work literally perfectly. There's like no reason why this shouldn't work. Unless if I picked something different over here. Did I? Dad, idle, dance. Okay. Black line. Okay, cool. Now, we should run this. And Mommy should have her own week. And I'm just gonna come back to when it finishes compiling. It's gonna take like 2 minutes. All right, it's finished compiling. Lower the volume because I don't like it when it's loud. Freaky, fa. All right, now if we load story mode, will it crash? Let's go. Load all the stuff. I totally forgot that I need to unlock the week. Yeah, Momi's up there. A couple stuff I need to change. Weak character x plus not y plus equal like 80. Actually, just do like 10, 20 actually. Like 30, 40, 30, 35. Yeah, there. That should shift her back down. Anywho, totally forgot. Luckily, it's a quick fix actually. See, in images. Oh, whoops, that is wrong thing. On assets, pretty sure on preload, right? Preload images. Story menu right here. This is where all the weak shit is. So we're gonna have to make one. We do first week 4. 5, 6. Let's duplicate that and just call it week 7. Week 7 leak. What? Momi week 7. Week 7 Momi. Okay. Since we want it to stay the same size, let's just call it. Let's just do that and then just like. And then like 13. And then just like mo me. And then just make that like cyan. And then make all this. You can just make this black since it won't show up. Alright. Now that we have done that. Library. We named it week 7, right? You don't have to generate. Yeah, you do have to generate spreadsheet, I believe. Correct. No, I do not. Okay. Well, I guess I will just die. Okay, just export. Just get rid of that last frame. We don't need it apparently. It's kind of depressing. Where are we saving it? Preload images, story menu, week 7, and 32-bit, smooth. Yep. And now. Menu item right there. Yeah, it'll actually, yeah, it should work. We don't need to touch anything on that, but we do need to touch something on here. Week unlocked, just comma true, and then it should unlock week 7. All right. Now if we line test Windows, everything should work properly, and we should have a proper working Momi week. And then afterwards, let's see if we can give her some dialogue. Ooh, you know, spice up your mod, you know. Animated cutscenes, probably not, but like with the text and such. Yeah, I'll definitely do those. Let's see if we can do something like that. Wait for everything to compile. Okay, cool. It's done. Now, cadence should work. Go to story mode. Let's go. It didn't do the thing for her sprite, but that's okay. Momi week. Let's go. Let's go. Load Momi week. Boom, 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 boom.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Alright, song's over. Now it should load the next song for the
3,
week.
2, 1, go.
Let's go. It's basically the same song, so I guess we can do it again. There we go. And since the week is again, it'll load the same song again, and that should be the last song of the week.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, and there we go. The week has ended. Let's go. We got a
for Momi Week. How do you like that, guys? How do you like that? Yep. Now, y'all wanna try to do cutscenes? All right, give me a second. I gotta learn to do cutscenes real quick. Okay, I just learned how to make dialogue. I'm literally copying from this. It's a video. Okay. Let's see how to do this. Let's see. Assets, preload, data, and I'm assuming Senpai has dialogue too, right? Copy this, and let's move this to Momi roll. Let's just call this Momi dialogue. Take that, edit it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's literally all the dialogue that I need. Now we want it to load the that one dialogue box. But first we gotta do something real quick. Week 6. Take this. Where's the dialogue box? Where is the dialogue box? I know it's here. Oh my god. I know it's here, bro. What the fuck did that shit say? Pause. Wait. I'm using Cade Engine, so I could be a head ass currently. I'm assuming it is in shared images and let's see. Where did that, bro? Oh, it is on Pixel UI. Hold up. Oh, okay. No. Alright, so let's pretend that I didn't just like act like a fucking dweeb. Take the week 6 folder. Cut that. Let's cut that shit out. Move it to shared images. Actually, right here. Shared right here. Boom. And now we should move all that to here. That's just what the thing said. So I don't want to get no errors because that shit is embarrassing. So that's where all the cool shit is. That's where all the dialogue boxes. But you don't want you want the one that Witty uses because Witty's cool and awesome. So and it's right here. Speech bubble. Yeah. So on the dialogue box .hx right here, you wanna take this. You wanna select everything. Copy Senpai like this. It should look like this. And then just name this if song is like a Momi roll. As dialogue equals true, box frames equals not this, but it equals whatever this is. I just had a burp. Speech bubble talking. We gotta go into the XML because I don't know what these shits animations are called. What? Speech bubble normal open. Okay, so normal open, we call it speech bubble normal. No, normal should be speech bubble normal, and then this one should be speech bubble normal open. Copy all that. Boom, boomy, scoop, boom, do, boom, loob, boobs. I think to make it easy for everyone, No, let's just not make it easy for everyone. Yeah, this should do its thing. All right, now that we have done that, we got to go. We got to go to play state, and we got to go to scroll up. You'll see where all the dialogue shit is stated. Right here. Copy that. If his song is Momi roll, then dialogue equals Momi slash Momi roll slash Momi dialogue. All right. Now, I know there's another step. Right there. What? Okay, so school intro doof. So you can just put Momi roll and then school intro doof right there. Right there. It's where you'll find all the doofs stuff, whatever that is. And then around you'll see somewhere that says portraits. Bruh, I know you're smoking that pack. Okay, just find wherever it says senpai. Right. Oops. Is it not here? I'm guessing it's on dialog box, right? Yeah, I thought so. It is on dialog box. Yeah, there it is. Right here, we put if, so it can only like stay on, so all this, take that, and then like that, if I'm correct, or just where it says visible equals false, right here. Okay. Now, if we copy this, now if we just say like else, if the song is Momi roll, let's clean all this up. Let's clean all this up. This shit looks dirty as shit. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now it should get Momi Dia. We haven't made one yet, but we're just gonna call it Momi Dia. Ooh, I named it Momo. Momi Dia. So let's make something like that. We don't need no pixel zoom. Yeah, we don't need any pixel zoom. I don't know how much we need to zoom it, but we're gonna find out. So let's just copy this, duplicate it, call it Momi Dia, for dialogue because I don't know how to spell spells. Let's make a mask. Yeah, let's make one like this big. Let's select everything and put it in there, in the mask. There we go. Now, let's just... There we go. Now we want to make her tween in. So let's just... Okay, we don't need this. Let's just break her apart, convert her into a symbol, and it's like right here, right? Make the alpha 0, tween that in. Let's make her pop up from this side. Let's make her pop up from this side. Yeah. There you go. That's what it's going to look like. It's called Momidaya. Export as spreadsheet, right? Alright, and then we export this as assets preload images Momi. Named it Momidaya, correct? We named it, yeah, Momidaya.png, and then boom. And then now that it's done that, add portrait left. Now, if the song is Momi dialogue, everything should work. Let me check if I missed anything important. I'll figure it out. Okay. Now, if we test all this, we should get some dialogue. Correct. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. All right. See you guys when it like compiles. All right, it's done compiling. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. I cannot count. I swear I cannot count. Turn the volume down. Dialogue should be working. Please, dialogue, please work, because I'm not even sure if this works. I've never tested this before. This is my first time trying dialogue, and it's on recording, so I might look like a fucking idiot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please don't make me look like a dumbass. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, it actually works-ish, kinda. Okay, I didn't think it would work. Okay, I know exactly why it's doing that. It's because I forgot to get rid of the, should say right here, where if this dude doesn't lower its voice, where this, like, where it, like, oh, Jesus Christ, where it, like, scales it, where does it scale it? Right here. No. It scales it somewhere. Where does it scale it? I know it do somewhere. Where like I probably look like an idiot. I probably passed it like 8,000 times already. Okay. You never see it coming. Box. Box. There's probably somewhere where it tells box to like scale a shitload. No match case. Whole word. Aha! Right here. If song to lowercase. Oh shit! Hold on. If play state song to lowercase does not equal mommy roll. Yeah. No. Better idea. If play state current stage does not. Okay. If does not equal mommy roll. No, mommy stage. Sorry. Yeah, that way you can scale down. But as you can see, dialogue is working pretty alright. Better than I thought it would.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, I swear, I had no idea that would work. I literally expected it to crash, like... So it seems like it's having trouble loading the sprites. I named it Momi and then Momi Dia, right? Momi Dia. So it's not loading this, so I might have named it wrong then. Shared images, Momi. Oh my god, I didn't. And where the hell did I save it? Preload? No. No. Put on shared. And then name it like Momi Dia. Momi Dia. There we go. I just put in the wrong file. Now, if all goes well, if I recompile, everything should go normal. See ya. Okay, it compiled. Guys, I think the video's almost done. Now that I've taught you how to make your own week, your own character, your own stage, your own song, now everything should work perfectly. We should have proper bagel on a proper bargain, proper bun. Fuck! Damn it! Okay, you know what? You guys know what? Like, sometimes in life, you're just gonna have to... Sometimes in life, you're just gonna have to do shit yourself. Okay, we can see that the thing is way too far. Okay. How does that look like? Sometimes in life you're gonna have to do shit yourself. I know exactly what I'm going to do. here's how to create your own dialog box, so you don't have to do the shit that I have to deal with. Check this shit out. Check this shit out. See, since the screen is usually like that. All right, so you're gonna make a dialog box like this. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make a cooler one. Like 65%. Wrong color. Processing strokes. Guys, am I ever gonna finish this tutorial? Yo, you know what? Fuck it. You know what? You know what? You know what? Box. Yeah, there's no, at no point is it ever gonna finish. Box y equals. Bro, if this dude, oh my god, okay, equals flex g height minus box height, no, not health, height, boom. And then like just minus like 10 or something. This dude's being so loud. And I believe this should be, oh my god, oh shit, it actually worked. Guys, I don't have to do this anymore. Okay, cool. Watch this shit. I can make box y equals 0, box x equals 0. Check this shit out. Now if I do this, export image, and I just save this as on, not on preload, on shared images, dia, short for dialog. I just export this as a PNG. Make sure it's this and this. Now I can just make the box. Do it need animation frames? Okay, okay, I got it. Box frames, instead of loading it's like this. Box animation, add, and we're gonna name it normal open, comma, frames 0, frame rate 1, looped false. Okay, add that shit in. Check this shit out. Add this again. This one's gonna be called normal. It's gonna be the same shit. Now, where did I tell it to load? Box. Right here. So box, load graphic, path, image, let's see, we named it dia. It's on shared, right? Yeah, it's on image, it's on shared images. I named it dia. Now, semicolon, boom, 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 bam, boom, bam, boom, 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 bam, bam, boom, bam, bada, bop, boom, pow. Portrait left. Let's move this down a couple tabs, like 80, 90 maybe, just in case. All right. Now, look at this shit. It's fucking ruined. Now, it should work. This, guys, should be the last time I ever test this. I'll see you when it's done compiling. Okay, guys, please please, God, please let this be the last time I ever touch this file ever again. I'm probably gonna release this mod as like the whole tutorial. I'm probably gonna release it as a whole tutorial, just so you can see. All right, let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go, kind of, sort of, maybe, guys. It doesn't matter. I bet you know how to fix all the X and Y's and stuff.
3, 2, 1.
Fuck it, let me just fix it myself. I'm not gonna recompile, cause yeah. So it's obviously like 100, and then I have to do it like negative like 80. This song go hard, I'm telling you. Alright, see? Easy shit, easy dub, easy dub. I mean, you guys saw it in action, right? You guys saw it. It clearly works. So there's not much that I need to do. There's nothing that I need to do at this point. Y'all already know what y'all need to do. So
3, 2, 1, go!
I just want to play the song again because the song goes hard. Another dialogue sequence.
3, 2.
Okay, well, I think you guys know how the song goes. But yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Now that you watched me do literally everything that you possibly need to know to make your own high quality mod in under 3 hours, yeah, that basically does it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe.